Okay, this is 13.2 on your own. You can find this on page 424. We're going to start with number 3. Trent is putting in a sidewalk that is 1/18 yard thick, 9 yards long, 1 yard wide. How many cubic yards of cement does he need? So we have 1/18, 9, and 1. When they ask for anything cubic, that means we're doing volume. So remember, we start with our first thing. Volume equals length times width times height. 2, V equals, and let's just put our numbers in, 1/18 times 9 times 1. When I put that into my calculator, I get volume equals 1/2. And now let's put our label in. It says yards. And then since we're doing volume and we multiplied 3 numbers together, we're cubing it. So volume equals 1/2 yards cubed. We are not going to look at number 4, but we will look at the last 4 here. Okay, what it's asking us to find the volume of each figure. So V equals length times width times height. V equals, on this one we have 7 times 7 times 7. In our calculator, we're timesing 7 times 7 times 7, and we're getting 343 centimeters cubed as our answer. Number 6, finding volume of a rectangular prism. So V equals length times width times height. V equals, and we're just going to multiply these numbers together. It really does not matter which way you put the numbers in because you're multiplying and you can do whichever way that you need to. So in your calculator, you're typing those 3 numbers and you're going to get a pretty large number for your answer. 129,907 and 4/5. Our label is inches cubed. Just like that. Number 7, volume equals length times width times height. And now we're going to multiply the numbers together. We have 15 times 18 times 6 and 1/3. When I put that in my calculator, I get 1,710. Label as feet cubed. Make sure you put that little 3 for the cube instead of a 2 for squaring. I will take off a ½ point if you don't have your label correct. Volume always has the little 3. On number 8, volume equals length times width times height. Now we're going to plug in our numbers. 6 and 1/3 times 4 and 1/4 times 1 and 1/4. In the calculator, when you multiply 6 and 1/3 times 4 and 1/4 times 1 and 1/4, you get 33 and 3/4. Our label is feet cubed. Just like when we did area, I'm counting 3 points on each problem. 1 for the formula, 1 for plugging in, and 1 for the answer. Even if you have the numbers right, if you do not label correctly, I will take a ½ point off.